Hey everyone, want to block websites on iPhone to keep things family friendly or stay focused? In today's video, I'll show you how to block websites in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If you haven't already, you'll need to enable Screen Time. Tap Turn on Screen Time and then tap Continue. And choose either this is my iPhone or this is my child's iPhone. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's not already on, toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions on. Now, tap Content Restrictions and then tap Web Content. You'll have 3 options: Unrestricted Access, Limit Adult Websites, and Allowed Websites Only. If you want to block certain websites, select Limit Adult Websites. Then tap Add Website under Never Allow and type in the website URL if you want to block. Now, that website will be blocked and your iPhone won't be able to access it. And that's it. You have successfully blocked websites on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.